Nice question from inverse trigonometric functions. So two things to keep in mind for this, they are respectively cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equals to pi by 2. And the thing is, sin inverse of sine 2 theta equals to pi minus 2 theta when theta is greater than pi by 4. So for example, when theta is say 60 degrees, then sine inverse of sine 120 degree becomes pi minus 2 into 60 degree, or rather 180 degree minus 120 degree, 60 degree. So with these two things in mind, let's proceed. So what we are given is, we need to find the value of 3 by 2. Let's say this is x plus 1 by 4 sine inverse. So notice this becomes x into because x is which gives us and that in turn gives us this result, or rather let's instead of x use cos theta. So we have cos inverse of cos theta, so 2 cos theta sine theta plus tan inverse of, so root 2 by pi. So let's first calculate tan theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Cos theta is, it gives us sine theta equals to pi upon root 2 plus pi square, gives us tan theta is pi by root 2. So this is tan inverse of 1 by, or rather tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus theta. So because now root 2 by pi is equals to cot theta, so that goes here. So now I think we are in a position to write all of these in terms of theta. Okay, as we know that sine theta was pi upon root 2 plus pi square, which is greater than pi upon root. So what I did is increase the denominator, so that means the whole thing is less than this whole thing, so which is equal to 1 by root 2, which gives us that theta is greater than 45 degrees. So here this thing comes in handy. So this becomes theta, this thing becomes pi minus 2 theta as we saw here, and this thing becomes pi by 2 minus theta. So this becomes 3 theta by 2. So this gets cancelled and we are left with, so this is our answer. So answer is 3 pi by 4.